So this is the first time we've ever seen a turkey come to the bird feeder. They've come to the yard to get corn. He flew down here and he's eating bird feed out of the feeder. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Gobble gobble. Those birds are probably wondering what the heck. This is the first time this has ever happened. Oh my goodness. He sees me. Hello. You don't seem too worried. He's really hungry, I guess. Normally, they're very skittish, and if they see you, they will start running just as fast as they can. But not this guy. This guy's hungry. I'm gonna try standing up. Nope, he doesn't seem fazed by that at all. Oh my goodness, that's too funny. Why, turkey? It's a male. What do you call that thing that hangs there, Terry? What do you call that thing that hangs there?
Beard.
What?
Beard.
Beard?
It's his beard.
Oh, I thought it was called something else. That is hilarious. I'm putting this on YouTube. Wonder how close he'll let me get. This is just hilarious. Poor thing, he's hungry. I've never seen him hungry enough to come up to a feeder, ever. At anybody's feeder, not just mine, anybody's. Now they do come up in the yard and sometimes eat the leftover corn. The female hens bring their babies up here and stuff, but never seen this before. And, you know, they come from the trees above, and he had to fly down. I wish I had seen when he landed. Did you see it when he landed, Terry? Well, Terry just happened to look out at the right moment. He was right there. Eating every little piece out of there. My husband just went out there and filled it earlier. The birds have been eating. He's only been home about 3 hours. The cardinal's like, are you kidding me? What is he doing down here?
Still there.
Yeah.
You?
I wonder if he'll try to go over to the camera. Does he think he's either getting ready to fly or he's gonna go over to the other feeder?
They're not graceful flyers.
Well, I don't know if he's getting ready to fly or he looks like he's walking over to the other feeder.
Yeah, he's just banging into shits when he does.
Oh my goodness, can't get over it. Okay, so now the other birds around, like the cardinals and blue jays, are swooping down because they don't like him eating their food. But it's pretty funny. I've got a blue jay over here to my right. But he's not going to go over to that turkey. That turkey's too big. But the cardinal came down and kind of chewed him out a little bit. But it didn't faze him. Now, if you look between his legs,
Still there?
yeah, there's something right between his legs in the woods there. I don't know if it's a deer. I can't tell what they are. They're moving around. I think it's deer. Is that turkey, Terry? Terry, come here. Okay, so if you look off in the distance, yes, they are turkeys over there. And they're big. To me, I thought they were too big to be turkey. But my husband says that they usually hang together. Well, the hens hang together too. Oh, look, look, he's going. Maybe. Maybe. I'm standing right here at the door. He sees me. He doesn't seem a bit afraid. The girls, if you even look at them, I mean, just look their way, they take off running.
You know, that's your goodness.
I think he's getting ready to. He's looking down. He's getting ready. Come on. want to take a video of you swooping down. There he goes. Alright, so there's the other deer over there. I mean, sorry, turkey. What am I saying? I see him moving around. I can't tell how many's over there. I see 1, 2, 3. At least 3. And I don't know where this one wound up. He flew off, but they don't fly a whole lot. So he's probably walking over there. Just not over there yet.